no care. It was all about me, it was all about me. I was in my head, and I had no care. It was all about me, it was all about me. I learned so much, but did I change? It was all about me. Re-emerging patterns with pain. Cause I messed up her peace. I know now. God showing me how to do better. Look, I just need to trust and know that He got us. Next time it's gonna be better. Cause it's not about me now. And Him I plant my feet down. I must have walked into my way. Cause I saw everything. I am all by faith now.